This is an official Automatic Systems Incorporated training video. First and foremost, remember to follow safety protocols. Lock out, tag out, and isolate all power to all connected equipment up and downstream. Always remember proper personal protective equipment. This content does not constitute professional advice, and viewers should consult relevant experts for their specific needs. Today we will be demonstrating the process of replacing a pulley on a conveyor. The tools required are a tape measure, a 3/4 wrench, a 9/16 wrench, a crescent wrench, a ratchet wrench, and a Phillips head. Before removing the pulley, we must take the tension off the belt by loosening the jam nut to adjust the jack bolt.
You have your jack bolt right here that tensions the belt, so we need to loosen it. We'll loosen the jam nut. Just back that 3/4 inch nut all the way off and do the same thing we're doing over there while I'm doing this. The jack bolt's a square head jack bolt. 9/16 open end wrench will work. Just back it up. Just as long as you got an inch or so gap right there, that should be plenty.
Once your jack bolt has around a 1-inch gap, loosen 3 9/16 faceplate nuts.
Again, it's the same process from both sides. Then you should be able to just grab a hold of that and pull that all the way back. You see you have a slot right here that the pulley has plenty of room to move.
Straighten ends of wire.
Pull your belt together so you don't have any tension on that. You can pull your wire straight out. Now, these wires are soft. You'll not be able to reuse this wire, so you should have a roll of wire on hand for replacing the belt. You can just pull this belt back. If you'll notice, on the Q belts there's ridges on each side, so it takes a little bit of extra to keep them trapped. So now, just loosen the clamping collar, and it comes right off.
Remove one of the faceplates completely and remove pulley. Now, time to reinsert the repaired/replacement pulley. Lift pulley and reinsert bolts to secure the faceplate. Make sure the pulley is centered and the ends are the same length. Also, make sure the gap between the top plate and the pulley is even on both sides. Replace T30 starbit clamping collar on both sides by tightening Phillips screw. Adjust the belt's position so that the clips are easily accessible.
So how we're going to resplice this belt is we have the alligator clips pulled over to the end of the roller. It gives us a little bit straighter shot on putting our wire into our clips. You know, this is, we actually sometimes will drill a 1/4 inch hole in the sidewall, whatever works best. This is pretty simple for this one though, so we're just going to feed it in here at the end roller. Okay, so now that we've got the pulley reinstalled. We got the new bearing on, or the old bearing reinstalled. The belt's been spliced back together. Now we're going to tension the belt.
Using a 9/16 wrench, tighten the jack bolt so the pulley is pushed away.
You can feel it when it starts getting snug. Just make sure none of your bolts are bound up. You have to do the same thing on both sides. So what you want to do then, from the end of your conveyor to your bearing, take a measurement. I'm at 1.25 inches to the inside edge on this side. Make sure that that dimension is the same on both sides to square up that pulley with your conveyor.
Tighten the 3 9/16 faceplate nuts and the jam nut on the jack bolt. Make sure there are no gaps in the faceplate or pulley by taking off the clamping collar to adjust.
Check your belt tracking after you start it up and let it run a little bit. You'll be able to see if that belt tracks right to left on either end, and we'll cover how to fix that or adjust that tracking in another video. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Automatic Systems. For further inquiries, contact 816-356-0660.